Here's a hard fact of life, kid. You can't win them all. At the end of the day, it's about survival. So you know what happens, Jason? You know what happens? You're right. He's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, good. You picked up. That's great. That's,
What do you need, Benny?
nothing. Just, well, you want to hang out? Yeah, maybe shoot some pool, or I don't know. Maybe blow up a trailer park?
Frank told you to blow up a trailer park, didn't he?
Sorta. Just, look, come meet me.
K-Watt 1042. Ahead of the curve.
You're hearing the voice of Ronnie Q on K-Watt. Now's the time of day when I accept calls from Lamezoid callers. Hello?
Miranda, is it really you?
Who is this?
It's Jim. You remember? We dated for 2.5 years.
Jim? Get off this line.
I haven't seen you in months.
That's because I'm over it, man. I'm not some chicken that can be caged. Get off this line.
I've been looking everywhere for you. You fell off the face of the earth. I still have the letter you left.
Did I not just tell you to hang up?
What we had. I want that back. So bad.
What we had was completely plastic.
Oh, good, you made it. Come on, you drive. I gotta finish working on something.
You seem nervous, Ben.
Oh, yeah, you know, I'm just trying to finish putting this thing together, and I don't know. I'm just not great with explosives.
Wait, what? That's a bomb?
I told you, we're gonna blow up a trailer park.
With that? That thing looks like an eggplant.
Plastics, old school. Don't worry. I think I got it all hooked up right.
What did Frank tell you to do?
That guy you kidnapped finally spilled his beans. So Frank tells me, Benny, you dumb shit. The Huevos are meeting in the Street of Dreams trailer park. I want you to crash the party.
Gotcha. So I'm what? Protection?
No, you're like a diversion. You're gonna set up this here explosive and... Uh-oh.
What? What?
It's ticking.
What? Throw it out the window! Throw it out the window!
Wait, no. It's my watch. Anyway, you're gonna set this explosive up in front. When you trigger it, Los Huevos will be running around all startled and confused like. You take them out, right? Meanwhile, I'm sneaking the back and I'm stealing this package.
So there's a package.
Yeah, there's this package we gotta get. Supposed to lead us to whoever's supplying Los Huevos behind Frank's back or something.
Fine.
Hop out. Set up them charges by that post over there. Hold them off till I give you a ring. They're probably packing assault rifles, so, try not to get shredded into a pile of bloody coleslaw.
Goes. Nothing. Are you serious? Benny. You fucking moron. Time to scramble some huevos.
yeah.
Okay. We're good. Meet me around back. Yeah, no, I'm good. Just, let's go. We gotta meet Frank. You drive.
Wind up having supper, break of dawn. Now it...
Turn the air on.
It is on. What's the matter with you?
Everything's all tight like. Feels like I'm underwater. I don't know. That's probably just the chili dogs I had for breakfast. Keep driving. I gotta ask you something.
Shoot.
You ever, like, wake up in the middle of the night and, like, feel like you got ghosts on all sides of you trying to smother you with pillows and whatnot?
Can't say I do, man.
I was reading this book the other day about, like, people who are connected to the spirit world and whatnot. And they got, like...
The hell was that?
Huh? There's someone in the trunk.
Are you serious?
Yeah, the package.
You didn't tell me the package was a person.
You didn't ask. So yeah, I'm reading this book, and you wouldn't believe what actually happens when you turn off the light.
Benny, who's back there?
The person who was dealing with huevos. Someone Frank's not happy with, that's all that matters. So, I'm reading this book by this spirit medium lady, and she's like... Oh, forget it. Just drive.
You may not be young anymore, but the music never gets old.
Hey, this is the place. Stop the car. So hey, Jay, listen. Pop the trunk, will you? Get out and hang back.
No!
Whoa!
Okay, calm down, honey. You're gonna go with Mr. Lester here, all right, sweetheart? You're gonna be a good girl. Ho-ho! You hear that, boys? She says she's in love with me. Kid, I need you to take a message to Vera. She either hands herself over and tells her entire crew they're under new management, or she gets her little friend's head in a box.
Jason, figured you were wearing cement shoes at the bottom of Lake Mead right now.
Vera, Frank's got Karen.
What? How do you know?
Because I kinda helped him kidnap her.
Why the hell did you do that?
Frank's been making me work for him. I didn't have a choice. I called Karen a few times. Didn't she tell you?
She didn't say nothing. We've been doing what we can to chip away at Mount Frank from down below, but...
I know. I'm supposed to give you a message. Hand yourself over to Frank, or get Karen's head in a box.
Oh, damn it. We pushed too hard. I knew this wasn't a good idea. All right, I'll do it.
No, you're not doing anything. Sit tight. I'll get her back, just... Do you know where he might have taken her?
First guess would be the strip mine outside the city. That's where he and Johnny used to take VIPs to, you know.
All right, I'm on it.